My brother Ethan is missing for around 24 hours. He went on a hiking trip near the Red Mountain. That was your first mistake. Went to local police. They said they don't have the resources for any search right now. Matters into my own hands. That's your second mistake. You feel me? I'm going off road, man. I don't got my license for this. Boo! Hey, hey. Why this beat hitting for real though? Oh, sorry. Hold on. Hey, hey. I don't know about this. Who's that? Nobody? Alright. Bro. Hey, shut up. I ain't got my license. I should park at this gas station and influence my brother. Ask if they saw your brother. How you get out? Get out. They really want me to park this job, bro. Man. Come on. We getting out. Hey, how you doing, man? Hey, man. Hey. What do you want? Hey, I'm searching for my brother, man. Hey, you want to miss my hey, man. Sorry to offend you, bro, but that's not my problem. I got something for you. You annoyed the business? Hey, man, forget the business guy. What can I do for you? Hey, man, you see my brother, man? Hey, man. Search for my brother. He was hiking around this area. He should have came home yesterday. Have you seen him? How did you... Yeah, go ahead and explain it. Brown hair, tall, green backpack. Okay. Dang. Like that's loud. I ain't like me no more. I'm not about to go in the woods. See, me personally, I'm not going in the woods. I don't care. Man. So I gotta go in the woods. You thought I cared? Buy your snacks. You just standing there for. Oh, I'm scared. Dude. I gotta walk. Take that headset on. Alright, so what am I doing? I didn't read any of that. I should have paid a little bit more attention. But no, I didn't, so. What did you say? Dang it. So I guess we're going to start walking. Let's walk into the night now. Oh, there we go. Obvious. Go ahead and get a little running on. Like, they ain't got no flashlight or nothing. Like, it's kind of dark. I feel like it's extremely dark for you just to be going over here. You feel me? But of course. Of course. Alright, we locked in. Hold on. We locked in right quick, y'all. Kind of scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I don't think so. Maybe just a little bit. Bro, I can't barely see you. Hold on. Missing maker game. My brother's tent looks entirely different. I should what? Oh. A random old perfectly shaped tent in the middle of the woods. You are an idiot. Oh! Whew, okay, alright. That was not scary at all. I don't find that too believable. Bro, you should have said yes. Why are you What gun you got? What gun you got? You ain't got no gun. You ain't really bout none. Ooh, hey, that look-y Ryan though, for real. Real squirrel, I'm a real deal hitter. Or he just disappeared. Alright, whatever. So I guess we just gonna keep going up the hill. Alright. Don't excite me no more. This ain't like me no more. 22, looking forward to 23. Let me see my brightness on it. Brightness is on it. Chill, twin. Chill, twin. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. We're just walking. This is just a walking simulator. I'm looking on Roblox. Where? Do it. Bro, where is you trying to put your tent up at? So you had a tent with no blicky. And now we're about to sleep in said tent without a blicky. So what are you gonna do about it? Oh, now I can get a flashlight. Okay, okay. It's booster pack opening time. um, 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 hmm. That is your brother. Oh my god. Brother! Brother! Brother mine. What is that?